Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming connection and power. Make sure your Apple Watch is paired with your iPhone and charged at least 50%. Once done, press the digital crown and open settings on the watch. Alternatively, launch the Watch app on your iPhone for the same controls. You're not changing anything yet, you're just in the right place to edit time settings. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active so changes sync correctly across devices before moving to manual adjustments. Now you'll change the actual values. If date and time shows set automatically, turn that off so you can edit. Tap the time or time zone field and use the picker or +/- controls to choose the exact hour, minute, or region. If you prefer a local offset for the watch face only, open the iPhone Watch app, go to clock, and set a minute's offset. Take a moment to confirm AM/PM and time zone differences, because an incorrect zone will shift scheduled alarms and calendar entries. Finish by verifying the new time across apps and faces. After saving, watch the watch face for the updated time. If it doesn't change, restart the device to force a refresh. If restart fails, toggle Bluetooth or Wi-Fi on the iPhone to re-establish sync. As a last resort, unpair and repair the watch. That preserves data via backup. Make sure alarms and calendar events reflect the new time, and adjust any recurring items if they shifted. One tip: check both devices' time zone settings when issues persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.